So, to create your color study, you'll use color matching. First, identify the color you want to match. You'll want to have a color chart on hand. Find the closest color using the color chart. On the chart, identify the colors used to create that hue. Begin mixing those two colors. Experiment with adding more or less of each color as needed, being sure to pay attention to the amount of each that you add. Eventually, you will achieve the hue that you're looking for. Make note of the colors you used, in this case, warm red and cool blue. Include an approximate ratio for how much of each color you used. You can create these recipes in your sketchbook for a complete color study.